Hi everyone, happy to be here. Thank you John and the team for a brilliant Ecosummit again. My name is Ulf, I'm the founder of Wayout, and I'm going to talk about drinking water. So you probably all know that we have some challenge with drinking water today. We have the water quality that is getting worse and worse because of the impurities. We have a lot of PFAS, microplastic hormones, even in our tap waters, and especially the commercial water is mainly in plastic. Water scarcity, United Nations says that 1/3 of humanity lacks safe drinking water. It's not getting better, it's actually getting worse. And then we have the plastic waste itself. It's like 1.5 billion plastic bottles sold every day. 9% is recycled, the rest is out in nature and getting into our bloodstreams one day or the other. Then we have the transport of water, which is a big issue in the bottling water industries. Even on the cost side, 60% of the cost stands for logistics and plastic. So there's a bunch of challenges in the water space. So we believe that we have a solution to all of these through our concept, which is built on one microfactory. We have vessels that is transporting the water, which is not plastic, and the dispenser technology. So basically this microfactory can take any water source, whether it's sea, river, industrial wastewater, even hippopool water, turn it into basically H2O, adding the minerals because we need it for nutrition, and putting it into safe vessels, which is having mechanical lock and a digital seal, and then bring it to the consumption point in dispensers. So all in all, it's a total circular system. We have obviously some industrial partner helping us with that. Alfa Laval is producing for us. Siemens is a strong partner doing all the IoT automation, and we are usually used by Siemens as their showcase on big events like COP or CES in Las Vegas recently. So these are some small developments, because we were here last year as well. Small developments we made to improve and to make things more efficient. We have a dispenser that we have developed that you can basically use the vessel itself to create. This is more for the retail industry. We have also the possibility to not only have these larger vessels filled with water, but also the smaller flask, because in some cases you also need to move around. So all in all, we have a system that takes away the long distance transport, all the microplastic and plastic and single-use plastic, all the chemicals, because we're cleaning the system with ozone, and obviously the waste of water, because it's an efficient system. So we have three lines of segments of clients. One is the access to water, which is obviously the one that all the people that cannot get safe drinking water today. That's where we started our journey. That's where we have a lot of attention already. We have a few contracts in Madagascar, Malawi, Ukraine that I will speak about soon. The other segment is the water brands, whether it's Nestle or PepsiCo or Coca-Cola. We can offer them a production facility that improve their profitability and take away some of the sustainability issues they have. So we recently were validated by Nestle Waters, one of the biggest water brands in the world, after a 6-month period of technical trials and a lot of commercial discussion. Unfortunately, before signing the contract of changing all their production in the Middle East, they went into an M&A situation that you probably read about. We have 2 pilots with other major brands in the UAE going on to showcase that this technology works. The last one is the retail industry, which is very interesting for us. This is the big retail chains like IKEA or Walmart or whatever. We just started that journey, and you could see there is also a profitability increase on all these elements. The first one, very challenging when it comes to finance. Second one is less profitable. Last one is truly profitable because we avoid all the logistics. This is a picture from Kherson, obviously a very difficult place to live in right now when the Russians are bombing Ukraine. I'm going to Kiev tomorrow with train to sign a large agreement with the Ukraine government for 40 water system. Each of the water system has a cost of approximately 2.5 million euro. To support the Kherson region for safe drinking water. This is a project that will generate safe drinking water for 30 years as a future-proof infrastructure for 500,000 people. So, thank you. So up today, we have raised approximately 24 million euro. We have a very small raise right now for 3 million, taking us to a Series B in the next 6 months, where we're going to raise approximately 30 million euro. Come talk to me if you want to do some impact. Thank you.